Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone. First things first, if you haven't backed up your WhatsApp data from Android to Google Drive, you want to perform this backup first. If your end-to-end encrypted backup is on, turn it off before backing up your WhatsApp data. And download and install the iCare phone transfer software. And the link will be provided on your screen, so just make sure to just copy it and paste it on your preferred browser. After that, you want to connect your iPhone to your PC or Mac and launch the iCare phone transfer. Then choose the WhatsApp app within the iCare phone transfer software. Then navigate to the Backup section in the sidebar. In here, you want to choose Google Drive as the backup source from the top options. Then sign in with your Google account that contains the WhatsApp backup. This step ensures the access to your Google Drive data. Then, iCare phone transfer will then detect and list your WhatsApp backup files. You want to select the desired backup file and click Continue to create a local backup based on the chosen file. You want to also verify your WhatsApp backup using your phone number. So just click the Verify option, and if two-step verification is enabled on WhatsApp, turn it off temporarily to proceed with the restore process. After setting up your profile, just click the Login option on iCare Phone Transfer. Then iCare Phone Transfer will initiate the restoration of WhatsApp data to your iPhone, and the process duration will depend on the volume of data. Lastly, once the restoration completes, verify that all WhatsApp data is successfully restored on your iPhone. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.